Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. Now we from group 5 will present our discussion about our letter. I'll ask to ourselves. Next. Our group consists of 6 members, namely Wan Desi Andini, Melinda Husnul Hamah, Karina, Wahyu Bagus Prasetya Budi, Cynthia Ari Chandra Dewi, Muhammad Zahir, Samsul Hidayat, and Amani Angini. Next. Okay, further material, the first one will be explained by Jesse. And screen, I'll welcome.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Zainun. I will explain about the definition of order letter. Nah, an order letter is an official letter written to confirm the list of items you wish to purchase. The purpose of an order letter is to provide the detailed instruction to the manufacturer or distributor. The order letter usually includes data such as catalog number, number of item order, description of the model and size and color, and unit price and total price. Clear the identification of the purchase unit of or buyer, address, shipping model, example via landline, sea, and air, and payment method, example cash, check, bank account, and other. And can information about request delivery date. Nah, the information in the letter of order must be relevant to prevent error in the required goods. Okay, that's about definition of the letter. And next will be explained by my friend.
Okay, thank you. Next is part of order letter. 1. Contact information about yourself, the person or company that will supply to you, and the date. In this part contains contact that anyone can be contact, such as the phone number, position, and others. 2. A subject line that helps the recipient to understand your purpose at once. In the subject line contains the essence of the letter, so that the reader of the letter can more easily understand and remember about the letter. 3. Salutation. Salutation is the word or phrase of greeting, such as dear sir, dear madam, dear Mrs., and others, that conventionally comes immediately before the body of letter. 4. Information about your company. Contains the company information such as name of company, address, email, website, contact, and others. But this is totally optional. However, this can ensure a long-term relationship. You can also say a few words about your future plans related to the sale. 6. Order detail. 5. Order detail. And by detail, I mean everything, like the model number, color, size, and other. Be attentive since they'll send whatever you will write. If possible, use bullet point or tables. If you are buying different items of different types, describe them in separate paragraph. 6. Mention your payment mode. mention your payment mode, or if you're paid already, mention the next. Useful as a reminder and confirmation of what payment method is used in buying and selling transaction from both parties. 7. Indicate your preferred delivery method and date. Aims to inform the shipping method and delivery date so that the order process is immediately carried out and adjusted. 8. Include any special instruction as part of the terms and conditions agreed between the parties, useful so that cooperation or buying selling activities can run smoothly and can last a long time. 9. Tell them that you'll enjoy future cooperation with them and encourage them to contact if needed. 10. Close with sincerely your signature and name. 11. The quality of the delivered goods will depend on your instruction. Not just that, it's literally a legal document between yourself and the seller. So beware of what goes in your order letter and pay a good deal of attention while driving one. Thank you. Next slide will presentation by my friend.
Okay, 2. Precise. Next. Opening paragraph. 1. Thank you for your quotation letter of 5th January 2050, and we would like to order some goods which enclosed in the following list. 2. Thank you for your quotation and illustrated catalog of your sauce product you sent us, as we so like to buy 100 pair of men's sauce. We are enclosed here with our order number 67, but on the condition a trade discount of 5% must be given. 3. We thank you for your catalog and pre-slice, and we are very glad to place our order with you for the following article and the prices and them quoted. Okay, thank you. To the next slide, that will be my friend.
Thank you. Next. Next is language study. 1. As the goods are urgently required, please deliver them immediately. 2. We hope you will deliver the goods in strict accordance with our instruction. 3. We place our order on the understanding that the articles will be delivered immediately and can reach us not later than 25th January 2015. 4. We shall accept delivery after or within 2 weeks. The order must be executed without delay. The next material will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Okay, so the next material is the closing paragraph. From the example is there number 1, we should appreciate your early attention to this order. Number 2, we hope the goods will arrive by next week. Number 3, if this first shipment turns out to our entire satisfaction, we shall be able to give you a further order. And the last, please inform us whatever you can accept our order on this term. Okay, that's from the closing paragraph. And the next material is a written example of an order letter. Yep, from the first example, here 2 order letter from the PT Indomakmur. The second letter is also the same from the PT Indomakmur. and sample catalog is also provided. Please read the content of the letter by yourself. Thank you. Next slide. Nah, then he also sample order letter, but from a different sender. This was sent by PT Sanjaya Abadi. Nah, you can also read and study the example for yourself. Okay. For the next chapter will be explained by my teammate. Thank you.
Okay. Next email example. And then on page 40 and 50, there is an example of an order letter via email. The main characteristic of a letter via email is that the letterhead is at the bottom. Next. Next slide. 5 tips and tricks writing order letter. 1. Subject. Your order letter should start with a subject line. 2. Salutation. Use the appropriate greeting for the seller. 3. Company introduction. If it's your first time you're contacting the seller, you can share brief information about your company and your future aspiration. 4. Order detail. In this section, you'll highlight all the detail about what you are ordering. Make sure the information in this section is clear and accurate. 5. How to pay. After highlighting the item you require, it's essential to provide information on how you will pay for the goods or service. Next, my friend will read it.
Next is shipping. Indicate how you would like the merchandise to be shipped to your preferred destination. 7. Important instruction. This section should filter any relevant information about your contracts with your seller if you have any business agreement. 8. Filter business relationship. Under regular business operation, a seller pay more attention to order from their existing customer. If you want to establish a robust business relationship with the supplier, it's vital to share these sentiments with them. 9. Contacts. As you close the order letter, share your contact detail. 10. Letter closing. An order letter is a formal business document. Thus, you should close the letter formally. Then I will return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone. That's all for the discussion of our group order letter. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. And see you next time. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.